Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this on Facebook messaging, and the 2.5 millimeters don't do me any good because I don't know how big the whole thing is. But I've typed out a text kind of like this, and I can't tell if that's a Y or a V. I'm thinking it's a V, so I just typed out a text. This is easy, and I don't know if this letter is the only one that's bigger or the whole thing, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Just go to the envelope tool, which is underneath your drop shadow. I would right click it while you're holding down the mouse and then right click and turn them in. Well, they're already a curve. And you could probably get rid of, let's go back to the envelope tool. You could get rid of that node, don't really need it. And then I don't know 2.5 millimeters versus how big it is. So I'm going to just move it 0.25 of an inch because I don't know what's relative to the size of the text. But I'm just going to cursor it straight down. I'm going to cursor that one straight up. Now I'm going to do it again and go back down again. And there you kind of have it. Now you could get rid of these inner nodes, and you could play with this till that looks like it's going away from you. The drawing kind of looks like it's kind of swooped. So if you wanted it more swooped, that's what you're looking for. Let's just put it back to where it was. Grab the envelope tool again. And one thing we do, let's try this. Let's get rid of those nodes. And now we're going to move our nudge factor on 0.75. Go back to the envelope tool. We'll need to go up. And if you want them to be a swoop, there's plenty of ways to do this. Just take your tool and play with it like that. Grab your node and play with it like this. I don't know what the look is trying to be, but that's how you can manipulate it around. And there's a lot you can do with this. Let's just back up completely. Just to I haven't done an envelope tool video in a long time. Okay, we've got inside. You can take the inside ones, and it's been so long since I've done it. You can bring this up, or you can hold down both of them and bring them down. You can, I can't remember if it's holding the control button, but there's also all these kinds of nodes up here. You can have double curves. Let's try holding down the shift button. Nope. There's a way you can come out. Let's grab both these and hold down the control button. Nope. I need to actually look at my old video. But you can move this down whatever degree you want and move them the same just by highlighting them. And then there's the E is much bigger than the V, or you can go back to the tool and take these two nodes away and you get more of that, and you still play around with your arrow keys and get things in line. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.